Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty with keyboard and mouse. First, let's get you set up for success. Using a keyboard and mouse offers superior precision and control compared to a controller, especially for aiming. We will cover the fundamental keybinds for movement, shooting, and interacting, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Getting comfortable with these basics is your first step towards dominating the battlefield with your new setup. Optimizing your settings is crucial for peak performance. Start by finding your perfect mouse sensitivity and DPI. Many professional players use a low DPI, often around 400 to 800, combined with a comfortable in-game sensitivity. Next, customize your keybinds. Place frequently used actions like melee or grenades on easily accessible keys. Remember to disable mouse acceleration for consistent aim, and experiment with your field of view, typically between 90 and 120, to find what works best for you. Now, let's refine your movement and aiming. Practice strafing and sliding to become a harder target, making you more difficult for enemies to hit. Develop muscle memory for quick target acquisition by regularly engaging in practice modes. Always use cover to your advantage, peeking corners strategically and repositioning after engagements. Furthermore, understanding and controlling weapon recoil is vital. Practice firing patterns to keep your shots on target, especially during sustained fire, ensuring maximum damage output. To elevate your game, consider advanced techniques like jump shotting and drop shotting, which can throw off enemy aim in close quarters. Effective team communication using voice chat is also paramount for coordinating pushes and callouts. After your matches, take a few minutes to review your gameplay. Identify mistakes and areas where you can improve your decision-making or mechanics. Remember, consistent practice, even just 15 to 20 minutes daily, is the most important factor in becoming a truly skilled keyboard and mouse player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.